How to enable backup in WhatsApp. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily do it. First of all, open the application. Now, here on the right top, you can see this three dot icon. Simply tap on this three dot icon and on the bottom, tap on settings. So basically, we're in this settings interface. Here, you'll be able to find different options and even customize it. So slowly scroll down. Here, there's a section of chats. Tap on chats and on the bottom you can find chat backup. Tap on chat backup. So this is the place where you can easily backup all your chats. You can even customize the videos and images that you want to backup. At last, hit on this backup button and you're all set to go. All the data will be saved too. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.